All right, today we're going to take a look at an interesting little Zippo. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box and it was made in the USA. It's a genuine Zippo and the label says Green Fire Dragon Ring. Nothing special about the insert, but there's the dragon ring. It's on a matte black finish, which is really nice because it doesn't take fingerprints. That is a sticker of the green dragon, the ring. It also has the nice Zippo logo up there in green. Matte finish all over it. And it was made in C of 19, March of 19. Really good stampings on this. It's got a steel insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test as long as this thing's lit. Try that again. These things bounce pretty good. So there's the green dragon fire ring passing the drop test. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA and definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.